In 2025, if you're still jumping to free sites like Pexels or Pixabay to grab videos and images for your edits in Premiere Pro, hold on. Now you can pull them directly inside Premiere Pro with the AE Juice Free plugin. Let me show you how. You have installed this extension from site. Go to AJuice site, search for Pexel. Now download both video and images. As you can see, it's free of cost. And once you install it, restart your Premiere Pro, then just go to Window, Extensions, AE Juice Pack Manager 4. It'll open in a panel. Now, let's try it. Click on Pexel Video, search for whatever clip you need, maybe travel footage. Right-click on the video, hit Import, and boom, it drops right into your timeline automatically. Same goes for images with Pexel Image Search. But that's not all. If you've heard of Premiere Composer by Mr. Horse, you know it's packed with free text animations, overlays, transitions, sound effects, and more. Just drag them straight into your timeline or press Add. You can even tweak the colors to match your style. And finally, we've got 90 free transitions, effects, and overlays inside Premiere Pro 2025 itself with the Film Impact Dashboard extension. If you haven't tried it yet, you're missing out. So, which one of these are you most excited to try? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this useful, punch that like button, smash subscribe. Trust me, it gives me the kick I need to keep making videos for you. Thanks for watching.